Hi everyone, welcome back to the nest. So it is update time for the hashtag No Paper Left Behind challenge that is hosted by Daniela Hayes. I'm going to go ahead and give you the lineup of the other ladies that I'm aware of right now. Of course, there's Daniela Hayes, there's Susan Tootsie Tucker, there's Sarah with Crafting and Relaxing, there is Tanisha Kay. And I know that, I think Sarah was saying that a couple more ladies are going to join in this month. I apologize, I don't know their name yet, but as soon as I do, I will not only add them, tell you what their names are, but I'll add them in the description box below to where you can go over and follow along with them as well. I haven't met them yet, so I'm excited about it. If you do not know what hashtag No Paper Left Behind is, it's a challenge that Daniela Hayes came up with, and it's a personal challenge for each one of us. And what we decide is if we want to use a 12 by 12 paper pad, a 6 by 6 paper pad, a kit, just what, a collection that you're wanting to do something with. But the challenge is that you use, you leave no paper behind. You use the entire paper pad, kit, collection, whatever, to where you're done with it, and then you show everyone all of the projects that you're able to make out of that kit or paper pad, whichever you choose. And that's really all the rules. That's it. And then we just do updates each week showing the projects that we've created. So before I get started and showing you everything that I've created, I need to do my giveaway, do my draw for my giveaway on the album that I created last month that I'm going to give to one of the subscribers. All I needed for you guys to do was be a US subby, and just because of shipping, and leave a comment below. That was it. Just really simple, and you'll get this along with some other crafty goodies that I'll put in there for you. So I have already put the URL. I'm using Random Comment Picker, and there were 11 unique commenters. So good luck everyone, and thank you so much. I appreciate you all. You have no idea how much I appreciate you. So let's just start the good luck. The winner is Sheila Blair. Yay! She says, I think you did an awesome job. They are all beautiful. Someone would be lucky to own any of them. Thank you for sharing. Aw, congratulations, Sheila. So what I'll need for you to do, in the description box below, I'll have my email address. If you would, please comment here letting me know that you did see this, that you won, and then shoot me a email at the email address in the description box below, and I'll be sure to get this into the mail to you. So congrats. Okay, so let me move this out of the way. The paper pad that I'm using this month is Christmas. Yay! I have my ho-ho out too. So I'm using the DCWV stack. I picked up this paper pad a couple of years ago at Tuesday Morning. It's home for the holidays, and it's very traditional colors, as you can see here. So this is what I've made so far. Of course, I knew that I needed to get started on my Christmas cards. I'm going to move this out of the way because all those colors, it kind of gets distracting and you can't really see that well. So I'm just going to start laying them out. Now I've added some things like on this card right here. I used this stamp and die set that I picked up at Tuesday Morning. I used what do you call that? I guess holly wreath, and then the little joy right here. And so I stamped it, and then I embossed it on these. So I did that on several of these. The other ones, these are like cut aparts. this is all on 110-pound cardstock, by the way. I just need to put my insides in these. And on some of them I used this sweater trim that I bought from Stampin' Up! Several years ago, and I absolutely love it, and I so wish that they still had it. I've been like not hoarding it because I've been using it, but just using it sparingly because I love it so much, and I can't get it anymore. And there's that. And all of these are dimensional, as you can see. And I've added, on some of them, I've added the little wooden trees, or you'll see some reindeer. There you go. There's a little reindeer. And some of the pages I have done some embossing. I do not remember the name of the embossing folder, though. I apologize. Here's another one with that stamp that I embossed and the little tree. Here's a little dark deer and some of that sweater trim that I love so much. There's one. Here's one. Another one. And another one. Another one. See how they're... I went through a lot of dimensional tape, the pop dots. And this one. I've just completely skipped over Halloween, and I apologize. Just don't do that many Halloween decorations or crafts anymore since my son is older and I don't have grandbabies. So this one, I'm going to have to put it on a different card front because I did everything upside down on it. So, you know how that happens. And my next project's this little waterfall folio. This most certainly is not my design. If you don't know, Ginger from my sister Scrapper, this is one of the many things that she's famous for, is her waterfall mini. These are super easy to make. They're really good for beginners, and once you get started making them the way that Ginger teaches you how to make them, and you get the concept in your head, you can start altering them and to make them your own, you know, and start doing different things with them, because I've made these for years. I make one every single year for myself personally to put Christmas pictures in, but I've made them for friends. I love them. They're really good, but I'll put the link for this tutorial down below. So as you can see, I've used 110-pound cardstock to wrap my chipboard and all in, and then this is from the paper line that I was showing you. This little die right here is the poinsettia die. This is one of the dies that I picked up at Tuesday morning several weeks ago. Whatever brand it is that has the magnetic sheet in it, that was what brand this is, and I have totally forgotten, and I apologize for that. But if you want to know, just ask me in the comment section and I'll look it up and figure it out for you. But put that there on the little magnetic closure, and it opens like this. Let's open it back up. It opens up. I haven't decided on what kind of wording I want to put on here. Do I want to run something right down here? Do I want to put a little something right up here? I don't know. You all help me with that. Any suggestions would be great. I've sort of left it plain right now. So this opens up, and I was thinking of it as like a double door, that you're walking into someone's home, and see the wreaths here with the little poinsettias acting as bows, so to speak. And then I was thinking that you could put pictures, you know, in here. And so this is that die again that I've layered up and inked. So these pull down, they're exactly the same. Now in Ginger's tutorial, she has one waterfall on this side, and then she has a pocket over here. I've changed this up so many different times and done so many different things with it. I actually did my binding a little bit wider than what Ginger did, but the concept is there, and then you can just take it and run with it. So, but these are just here, I'll start from the bottom. This isn't one that you pull something. Next time I make one, or sometime in the future, I'm thinking that I'm going to fix it to where this down here, I pull it and then it'll, you know, I'll come up, and then I'm going to see if I can't do that. Yeah, so both of them, like I said, are exactly the same, like that. And so, since this is the front door and it is Home for the Holidays, the name of the collection kit, well, you need to be able to get into the home, right? So, welcome. And so there you have places for more pictures, and you could actually turn it this way and write like this if you wanted to on either one of these pieces of the linen type paper that match the outside of the little mini album. And then you put pictures here, of course. And then it closes back up like that. It's all magnetic. And there. And then there's the back with my stamp. So anyway, this is my progress report for this week. Congratulations again, Sheila. Be sure to send me your information. Leave a comment below. Welcome to all my new subscribers. And to my old subscribers, you all have no idea how much you mean to me. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, and I love hearing from you. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I will talk to you soon. Bye.